What are the three practical self-love habits that every woman should incorporate no matter what in her daily life?
I would start what I do. Uh, yes, I practice daily self love. What I do is when I wake up, the very first thing I do, I look in the mirror and I say to myself, I love you. I really love you. So this is the thing. This made me very confident. कोई और है या नहीं है. I am there for my own self and I love myself. This is the very first thing a woman should do. Never start a day with, oh my God, इतना सारा काम बचा है, ओहो, या रात को कभी हस्बैंड से कोई लड़ाई हो गई और सुबह उसी को लेकर चल रहे हैं. नो, नेवर स्टार्ट योर डे विद दिस. स्टार्ट योर डे विद लविंग योरसेल्फ. बी माइंडफुल what you are thinking. Just love yourself. Never speak wrong to yourself, wrong about yourself.
Absolutely.
The very first.
Yes.
Second, practice some affirmations. Self love, like I am worthy. I accept and love myself exactly the way I am. I am complete. I am beautiful inside and out. These are some affirmations. Practice daily. And not only say it from your mouth, feel it.
Yes.
Feel it. Love yourself. Love your body. We expect others to love us. My husband should touch me like this. No, why? Why would he? I should touch myself first. Just love yourself. Just cuddle yourself. Hug yourself. These are some few steps which you should do. Every woman should do in her life.
Absolutely. And even I follow the same rituals. Mirror technique is one of my biggest strength, I would say. When I was at the lowest at my life, mirror technique has really pulled me back to gain that confidence back. And when you look into your eyes, you feel so confident that yes, I deserve love.
Absolutely.
It makes me feel worthy. So yes, mirror technique is one of my favorite and I love that too. So thank you for sharing that. Shubha, now we are going to have a quick rapid fire questions for you. Okay.
Okay.
And we want you to answer them rapidly. So the very first question I have for you is, what is that first word that comes to your mind when you hear self-love?
Hugging myself.
Great. If you could give one success mantra to every married woman, what would it be?
Close your ears. Do not listen everybody.
Great. One book or practice or any tool that has completely changed your life.
There are many, but if we say one book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind.
Great. If you could go back in time, what is that one thing you would tell your younger self?
You are beautiful, Shubha. You are very beautiful.
Great. What is that one habit every woman should adopt to boost her confidence instantly?
Spend some time with yourself. At least take out 15 minutes. 15 minutes with your own self, not scrolling. Here I really want to elaborate this answer. One of my friend says, I sleep at 1 p.m. I said, why you sleep so late? Because that is me time. I'm like, okay, what you do at me time? I scroll Instagram. That was like, that is not your me time, dear. That you are giving to society. This is not your me time. So why I'm mentioning this example? 15 minutes with your own self. Phones aside, everything aside, only with your own self.
Yes, that is very important. And beautifully you said that sitting with your own self. If you don't know your own self, if you don't know the emotions which is going inside you, how would you even expect others to know what is going wrong with you, right?
Reflect.
Yes, self reflection. Great.